How to activate EastWest credit card online. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Now, in order to activate your EastWest credit card, you have to first launch any of your preferred web application. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. In your case, you can also use Microsoft Edge or any of what you want. Now, at the top search bar, type in eastwestbanker.com. As you do so, you will get landed onto a page like this. Here you will see a person icon. Tap onto it, select if your account is corporate or personal. And at this section, you have to get logged into your EastWest account. Now, if you are a new user, go ahead, register. But if you already have an account, go ahead, tap on login, and then simply get logged into your account. Once you're inside your account, you will see credit card. All you have to do is tap onto it and activate it from there. If you're having any type of problem activating your card, then you can also call them directly. For that, you will see contact here, open it. Scroll below, you can either connect via social media platform or you can also talk via call. There is the number. Just like so, guys, you can also email them. These are all the emails, and this is how you can fix your problem. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.